Hey Flamingo family, it's Amy here from Enlightened Flamingo. Today I'm sharing with you my color swatching of the US Art Supply acrylic paint set. It is 12 acrylic paints. They are 75 ml each tube. I got these off of Amazon. I've actually had them for a few years and I haven't used them a lot, but I'm definitely going to start using them more. They are they're creamy, they're vibrant colors, just really easy to work with, and they are very affordable. Right now the 12 set is about $20. So the colors that we have here that I'm showing you right now, they are lamp black, raw umber, burnt sienna, ultramarine blue, cobalt, blah, blah, blah. Let's try that again. I can't say that word. Cobalt blue, viridian, hooker's green, crimson, vermilion, yellow ochre, lemon yellow, and titanium white. Like I said, I really do like these colors, and if you're into acrylic paints, I would say give them a shot. They're only $20, like I said. So enjoy my video, and at the end I will share some pictures to hopefully show the colors a little better. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, so there is my color swatching of the US Art Supply 12 set of acrylic paints. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also check out my website, enlightenedflamingo.com. See you later. Bye.